This is RSKsys Intl for risk on May 8th, 2015. All times on the chart are Central Standard Time. If you've been watching the market today, you know that the market has moved up to a high of 2113.50, and the general trend of the market is up. We have information, however, that suggests that this rally that's been taking place ever since yesterday is at least due for a temporary correction in today's market, with a drop down to 2107.50. So despite whatever happens between the time of my voice and the close of today, this market will drop back down to 2107.50. This is a live recording. Now you'll see a little blue line here, right there, which is where our stop is, or I should say our limit order. We're short, and we've been short ever since the market hit the high. And we anticipate 2107.50 will be hit. Time will tell when exactly this takes place. Not whether this will take place, but simply when. The indicators that you see on this chart have such a high degree of reliability that we can, in all confidence, take a short trade and hold that regardless of the minor fluctuations in the market since we hit the high. We can hold that trade with confidence all the way down to 2107.50. And that's exactly what we're doing. Now you might ask, well, why 2107.50? Very good reason. And if you don't know how to read the premium, you need to learn. We'll teach you. But at 9:34:40, the premium tanked. You can see it right here. We have not only the ES premium, we have the NASDAQ and the YM premium being displayed on this chart. They all tanked. And they all did it at exactly the same time. This market is going down. 2107.50 will resume this recording when it finally hits that number. Not if, but when. So once again, this is just to show you we were up here at 2113. We took a short. We're holding that short. 2107.50 is the target on just two little old contracts. The premium is so accurate that in spite of anything else that you might see happening, the premium can tell you well in advance what is going to happen before it ever occurs. And it isn't just close. It is down to the tick. NASDAQ premium just tanked. INDU just hit the level that it had previously hit at 9:40 this morning. It's very interesting that when the Dow hit this same low at 9:34, and we showed that to you with a little indicator that popped up in the lower right hand side of our screen, the Dow ricocheted off that level and has taken a very strong, predicted by the ES, has not yet been hit, but just wait, it will. It will. Well, now here we are, finally, right at the close. And in spite of the little dip that took place at about 1:30, we didn't quite get down to 2107.50. Not then. But that's one of the secrets of the premium. It gives you a very clear picture of what will happen, but it cannot tell you, it simply can't tell you when. But here we are. And what's about to happen here, likely, is we'll come right down to this level. Now you'll notice that we have a support area right in here, just as we did back in here. But the premium said we would drop. So we're just about back to where we were. Let's see what happens. And so here we are. Once again, 2108. $07.75. And finally, 2107.50. Took a while, as we say, we can't tell you when. Hopefully this video has proven a point. The premium is a very, very accurate indicator. It's a leading indicator. If you don't know how to read it, you need to learn, and we'll teach you. There is not a better indicator out there. There's no indicator that can do all of the things that the premium can do. and we're here to show you how we use the premium every single day to make very successful trades, living up to our motto to never have a losing day. That's possible if you learn how to read this indicator. It can work for you. So come ask for a demo. We'll be happy to spend a good amount of time with you to go over the system that we use and to help you to become a better trader. This is Rod Kusin and Spooman for Risk.